Hello, dear friends. Welcome to the Easy English Conversation channel, live from our cozy London studio.
We're so happy you're here. We're going to make learning English fun, simple, and fast.
Before we dive in, if you want our family to grow bigger, please hit subscribe right now.
And don't forget the bell icon. Tap it so you never miss a single lesson.
Hey, Michael, how's it going today?
Hi, Jennifer. I'm buzzing. Just grabbed the flat white from the cafe downstairs. You?
Haha, same. London fog latte, extra foam. I'm basically vibrating with energy. So, our viewers are asking the big question. How can we learn English really well and really fast?
Whew, that's the golden ticket.
All right, let's do this together, right here in the Easy English Conversation studio in London. We've got 25 game-changing tips today, not just 10. We're going all in.
Whoa, 25? Let's do it. I'll start with the first few. Tip 1. Build a daily micro-habit. Just 10 focused minutes. Michael, exactly. No marathon sessions, just 10 minutes of deep focus. Learn 5 new words with real examples.
Tip 2. Immerse smartly. Start with English subtitles only after French. Watch a 2-minute clip. First with French subs, then English only. Pause and repeat every line.
Yes! And tip 3, use spaced repetition, not just repetition.
Apps like Anki or Quizlet remind you exactly when to review. It's science. Tip 4. Shadow native speakers like a pro.
Love this one. Play a sentence, pause, copy tone, speed, and rhythm exactly. Say it like you mean it. Love this one. Tip 5. Build a personal dictionary with full context. Not just apple equals pom, write, I bought a shiny red apple at Borough Market in London.
Spot on. Context equals memory glue.
Tip 6. Start or join a language exchange. 50-50 rule.
Apps like Tandem or Hello Talk speak half in English, half in your language. No pressure. Tip 7. Read graded readers at your exact level. Start with Oxford Bookworms Stage 1. Simple stories, rich vocab, and pictures.
And only highlight 3 new phrases per page. Don't overwhelm yourself.
Tip 8. Record yourself weekly. Be your own coach.
Record a 30-second intro. Compare week 1 versus week 4. You'll hear the progress. Tip 9. Turn passive input into active output. After a podcast, summarize it in 3 full English sentences. No cheating.
Brilliant. This is where real learning happens. Tip 10. Keep a win journal. Celebrate small victories.
Every night. Today I used actually correctly. Or I ordered coffee in English. Small wins equals huge momentum. Okay, Michael, that was the first 10. Ready for more?
Ho-ho! Let's keep the energy up. Here come the next 15.
Tip 11. Label your world. Stick notes everywhere. Post it on the fridge. Open me. On your phone, charge me.
My flat looks like a vocabulary explosion.
Tip 12. Use voice notes. Talk to yourself daily.
Record a 1-minute diary. Today I went to the park. It was sunny. Send it to a language partner. Tip 13. Learn 5 power phrases per week. Like, could you repeat that? Or, I'm not sure, but real conversation tools.
These save you in real life. Tip 14. Watch YouTube with interactive transcripts. Click words you don't know. Instant definitions.
Tip 15. Play Describe the Picture. 2 minutes daily. Look at a photo. Describe it. There's a red bus. People are walking.
I do this on the tube, silently of course. Tip 16. Use song lyrics as mini lessons. Pick one song, learn 5 lines, sing in the shower.
Twinkle, twinkle. Still works. Tip 17. Join a free online speaking club. Meetup.com or Discord groups. Speak with learners worldwide.
No judgment, just practice. Tip 18. Use fill-in-the-blank stories. Write, yesterday, I, to the, and saw a. Fill it in English.
Tip 19. Watch kids' shows. They speak slowly and clearly. Peppa Pig in English. Gold mine for A1, A2. Tip 20. Create a mistake log. Learn from errors. Write down mistakes. Fix them. Review weekly.
My log is longer than my diary. Tip 21. Use AI chatbots as practice partners. Talk to Grok, Claude, or ChatGPT. Ask them to correct you.
Tip 22. Role-play real situations. Practice ordering coffee, asking for directions, or job interviews.
1 cappuccino, please. No sugar.
Tip 23. Set a 30-day challenge. 30 days, 30 new sentences. Share progress on Instagram.
Tag us, we'll repost. Tip 24. Teach someone else, even if they're worse than you. Teaching equals double learning.
Tip 25. Celebrate milestones. Reward yourself. After 50 new words, treat yourself to a London cafe cake.
Motivation cake.
Wow, Michael, 25 tips. I need another latte.
Told you we'd go big. Consistency plus smart methods equals fast, real progress.
Friends, which tip will you try first? Write in the comments, I'll start with tip blank. Or tell us your own trick. If this video helped you even a little,
Please smash that like button.
subscribe and turn on notifications.
Hit the bell icon so you're the first to know when our next video drops.
Coming up, everyday conversation in a London cafe. Super practical, with role plays.
Until then, goodbye from the Easy English Conversation Studio in London.
Bye-bye, see you soon, and keep practicing.